Okay, let's see how many we find. This one here. See another one up there. Gotta get them before they get it. I'm gonna show you exactly what they've been doing. Birds or deer, I don't know. Bear with me. Look at it. I'm not sure what that is. A bear, I mean, a bird or a deer ate it. Look at here. Look at here. Look how they eat it. Look at that. Look at this right here. So I'm not gonna let this one. Gotta take them before they take it.
Oh, that's eating.
They eating.
Good enough. I'm gonna take this one though.
Look at this one.
This little yellow.
Oh, there we go. Many figs.
Big jungle over here.
Yeah, it's a fig jungle. It's crazy.